Hey, it's Dom from 12 Tomatoes bringing you yet another great video. Today we are making jerk roasted sweet potatoes with a cilantro aioli. Yes, it's true, jerk seasoning is not just for chicken, it's also for sweet potatoes. We're going to make this really awesome spice rub and toss it with some cornstarch so we can get these sweet potatoes really nice and crispy, and then we can dunk it right in a beautifully light cilantro aioli. This is a perfect summer dish to bring to the barbecue, to a potluck, a picnic. They're amazing. Let's get into it. First thing you want to do is you want to cut your sweet potato up into a cute little wedge. Then what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to coat it in some olive oil and all of our jerk spices. We are going to toss that all to combine, make sure each sweet potato piece gets a little bit of seasoning on each one. And then we're gonna layer it on a sheet tray. Look at that fast cut. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our aioli. We're gonna start off with an egg yolk, some garlic cloves, some lemon juice, and some cumin. We're gonna slowly blend that with an immersion blender. The immersion blender works magic. I can't recommend highly enough. Slowly streamline in some olive oil so we do not break the aioli. And then we'll have a nice thickened product. Finish it off with a little salt and pepper, and then we're gonna blend in our cilantro. Blend it up until the cilantro, you can't see it anymore, and look at how beautiful those sweet potato fries are. Finish it with serrano pepper and dip to your delight, baby.
12 tomatoes.